Second step is sowing. Sowing means adding seeds to the soil. First step of sowing is to choose the seeds of good quality. How to choose seeds of good quality? Add seeds to the water. Whatever seeds that sink at the bottom of the water, that will be of good quality, and whatever seeds that float, that are infected by the insects. So this is the method of selecting seeds. After selecting, add it to the soil. For this process, two ways are there. First, by using traditional tool that you can see in the picture. In traditional tool, a funnel shaped structure is there that is connected to a long tube, and the second end of this tube is close to the soil. This whole tool remain attached with the animal, and as animals go ahead, this tool also moves with the animal. So continuously seeds are added to the funnel shaped structure, and these seeds are going down and adding or entering into the soil. But the modern method is called seed drill. This is the structure of the tool. This remain attached with the tractor. इसमें ये जो ऊपर वाला पोर्शन है, seeds are added to this portion, and then seeds are equally distributed to the all portions of seed drill, and then seeds are added to the soil. Now this machine, it can cover the seeds again with the soil, so birds cannot take it out. Third step of agriculture practices will be adding manure and fertilizers. You know that all organisms, they need nutrients to survive. So in the same way, plants, they are able to make their own food, but for this they need some particular nutrient, and these nutrients, these are supplied to the soil in the form of manure and fertilizers. Now what are manure? Manure is actually an organic substance that is obtained from the decomposition of plant or animal waste. जब प्लांट और एनिमल वेस्ट डिकम्पोज होना स्टार्ट होते हैं, इट्स कन्वर्टेड इनटू सिंपलर ऑर्गेनिक सब्सटेंसेस by decomposition, and these organic substances are called manure. If we compare manure with fertilizers, manure that is better than the fertilizer. Manure क्यों better होता है? Because this will increase the air holding capacity of soil and water retaining capacity of soil also. This do not harm soil. कंटिन्यूस चाहे हम मैन्योर को कितना भी यूज करें, वो सॉइल को कोई हार्म नहीं करती है. ऑन द अदर साइड, फर्टिलाइजर्स बाय कंटिन्यूस यूज, दे अफेक्ट द फर्टिलिटी ऑफ द सॉइल and will make the soil pollute. And with that, when raining is there, then water from that soil will go to the water sources, and in this way water sources will also get polluted. Fertilizers are actually chemicals that are made in factories, and some of the examples of fertilizers that are urea, ammonium sulfate, superphosphate, potash, NPK means nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, etc. One benefit of fertilizer that it will provide better yield, यानी कि जो क्वांटिटी हमें मिलती है किसी भी क्रॉप की, that will be better in case of fertilizer, लेकिन मैन्योर के केस में वो क्वांटिटी थोड़ी सी कम होती है. So in this way, fertilizers, these are better, but according to the quality and other ways, this will be, means manure is better.